I made this entire coloring book with AI. I did it all for free and it's now being sold on Amazon. Here were the steps I took and exactly how I made it happen. Yo, it's Brendan or backslash. I just wanted to say I'm going to put some notes at the top of the screen up here to show what we've covered as we go. So thank you for watching and let's get started. So first we're going to head over to Amazon and search for coloring books. We're going to browse and see what kind are selling the most. I'm using a plugin called Productor for Amazon that shows me sales rankings of different books, as well as estimated monthly sales and if they're a KDP book or not. And KDP is a way for us to publish our coloring books for free. So now we have to pick our niche. For me, I wanted to do a book about cats, and to niche down even further, I decided to do a book based primarily around Scottish fold cats. To generate my images, I used two different AI generators. Playground.ai, which allowed 1,000 free commercial use images per day, and Leonardo AI, which allowed 150 generations for free with commercial use per day. This is where you have to mess around with your prompts and keep generating different images until you get what you like. Once you get what you like, you just gotta keep repeating the process. Now head over to replicate.com and hit explore. Replicate has a collection of AI models. Scroll down and hit super resolution. This is where we will up-res our images. Drag and drop your image into the upscaler. This one can go all the way to 10x, but I normally just use 4. Save the upscaled image. Unless you have any more adjustments for Photoshop, your image is ready to lay out. With some images though, you may want to take them into Photoshop and add some filter effects to make them black and white. You're now going to want to sign up for KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing, which is free, and press Create. Next, you'll need to go grab a paperback template from this link that I put in the description and download the blank template for your size of book. I did 8.5 by 11. This was my manuscript. I had a title page with information followed by 40 different illustrations separated by one blank page each. Once you're done, save it as a PDF and upload it to your KDP profile. Now it's time to make the cover of your book. You need to design a front and back cover. I used Photoshop, but you can also use free apps like Canva. KDP also has a back cover creator within the uploader. Now for the last part of the video, we gotta do all of the publishing information, titles, descriptions, tags, and general SEO. Depending on the niche of your coloring book, this can vary. You can use research tools to see what tags or keywords rank better, but you can also compare to similar coloring books in your niche and go off of that to make your own titles, descriptions, and tags. Pricing and other information you'll need to figure out on your own. Once everything's done, you can hit publish and wait for Amazon to approve your book. Those are basically all the steps I took to create this AI coloring book. It took me about 8 hours to do everything, but I like how it turned out. We learned some cool steps today. First, niche research. Second, prompting and art generation. Step 3, upscaling and Photoshop adjustments. Step 4, layout. Step 5, cover design. And last, publishing and SEO. If you want to support me, I run my own streetwear brand that I've been working on for over 2 years now. /streetwear.com. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today, and I hope I could inspire someone else to go create something sweet. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Peace.